In this video, I'll show you how you can add products to Shopify. Now this is really easy, guys. You want to head over to admin.shopify.com and select the store that you want to do it on. Now once you've done this and you've selected the store, you just want to head over to products, click on add product, and then you're just going to fill in all the information. So give it a title, a description, upload some pictures of it. You can put the pricing, inventory, shipping costs. You can add variants if there's different sizes or colors, and some search engine listing, which is a title and description. So that's for SEO purposes. And then simply press save, and then it will be under your products, like the shirt I've created. So that is basically how it's done, guys. It's really easy, and I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.